Hi, hello, and welcome to autopostingtools.com. Today I'm going to show you how the Etsy scraper works. So if you purchase the software, we have over 180 different modules for your marketing. Here we have some e-commerce modules, and here you will find the Etsy scraper, which is the one we are talking today. So you click on Etsy scraper. This is going to open up for you. Basically, you click on Open Firefox. This will open Firefox for you. Whenever you want to close it, just click Close Firefox. And once it's open, basically you will select the keyword here, the link here, and then you have your keyword there. You can change that for any keyword that you want. If you want to look for the page number 2, you select that and then keep changing the page number until you get as many results as you want. So let's just do the first one. Navigate to the Etsy looking for chairs. As you can see, you will find all these different products. So now to extract all these products, basically you just click on extract and it's going to extract everything for you. As I said, you could go to the page number 2, obviously with a different keyword if you wanted to. Navigate, and here you have the page number 2. So once you have the page number 2, you can just extract it, and here you will extract all the information. So as you can see, what you will be getting on this is basically the product name, the price for the chair, the rating, the review quantity, the product URL, if it's free delivery or not, who is the seller URL, and the picture, so you could see what is the product. And just to save this information, click on this corner. Everything will get highlighted. Do Ctrl+C, open Excel, and paste it inside there, and you will be able to keep all these different products. The reason we might do this is to do drop shipping. Basically, we just list these products on our own store. We increase the price for, let's say, $20 or whatever amount you want. And then if somebody purchase, basically we come here, we purchase this product, and we use the address of the client that purchased from us, and we just ship them the product to them, and that's basically how it works. So you keep the $20 just for making that a small transaction, and if you keep doing that for multiple products, then you could make some money just by basically selling other people's product, and that's how it works. So if you want to get this in autopostingtools.com, basically just do that and you will get this along the 180 different modules that we have for all your marketing needs. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.